Maxim 20. Satan cannot conquer the righteous, and the sultan the poor. Lend nothing to a perilous man, although his mouth may gasp from penury, because he who neglects the commands of God will also not care for what he may be indebted to thee. And see, that's the thing. And you find that people think, oh, I can, let go of my religiousness. But I don't really witness people that have let go of being observant, that haven't started mistreating their families and such. Now, some people have been liberal their whole life, so they've been lapse here and there, their own. They find a personal need are not usually a need, because religion never stands in the way of your needs, really. But yeah, because morality and stuff does exist independent of religion. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying what I've witnessed myself.